Welcome back to Bike Rider, your go-to channel for everything two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into one of the most exhilarating superbikes of the year, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4. Renowned for its MotoGP heritage and relentless pursuit of performance, Aprilia continues to push the limits with the RSV4, offering not just speed, but advanced engineering and razor-sharp handling. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a passionate rider, this machine demands your attention. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 RSV4 is a refined 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, delivering a staggering 217 horsepower. This isn't just about raw power, it's about how that power is delivered. The throttle response is sharper than ever, thanks to optimized fuel mapping and lightweight internal components. Aprilia has also reworked the exhaust system, resulting in a more aggressive growl and better mid-range torque, making it both thrilling and manageable on the road and the track. Aerodynamics and design. The RSV4's aerodynamic profile has been subtly reshaped for 2025. Integrated winglets in the front fairing not only give it a menacing look but provide meaningful downforce at high speeds. The bodywork is sharper, more compact, and designed to reduce drag while improving cooling efficiency. The ergonomics have also been refined, offering a slightly roomier riding position without compromising on that racebike feel. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia's APRC electronics suite remains one of the best in the industry. For 2025, it includes an updated traction control system, multiple engine maps, cornering ABS, wheelie control, launch control, and cruise control. All of this is accessible through a new 5.5-inch TFT display with enhanced visibility and intuitive navigation. Whether you're fine-tuning settings at a track day or commuting through town, the RSV4 keeps you fully in control. Chassis and handling. Precision handling has always been an RSV4 hallmark, and 2025 is no different. It retains the aluminum dual-beam chassis, but with revised geometry for improved agility at lean. The bike features a semi-active Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, adapting in real time to your riding conditions. Brembo Stylema calipers ensure top-tier braking performance, making late braking into corners smoother and safer. Final thoughts, is it worth it? The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 isn't just an update, it's a statement. A bike built for purists, with the soul of a race machine and the finesse of modern engineering. It competes fiercely with the likes of the Ducati Panigale V4 and Yamaha R1M, but offers a unique character with its V4 roar and Italian design flair. If you're in the market for a flagship superbike that offers cutting-edge tech, track dominance, and unmatched personality, the RSV4 might just be the perfect fit.